It seems the New York Times has a new daily game. It's called Crossplay. Let's learn it. Well, what makes Crossplay unique is actually two things. Number one, it's the first New York Times game that you can now play with a friend. Most of the other games, the Spelling Bee, the Wordle, the Connections, etc., are single-player games, and yes, they'll rank you, but this is a game that you can play one-on-one with your friend. The second update is that it's actually not part of the app, the New York Times app. It's its own app that you need to download. And currently, it's only available on phones and iPads. It's not available yet on laptops. And so here is the game. And if it looks familiar to you because maybe you play Words with Friends or Scrabble, well, you're exactly right. That is essentially the game. We're going to take a look at their specific rules for their game, and then we're going to play a game. If you know how to play Words with Friends and Scrabble, then you've already got a leg up, but stick with me. You're given tiles in front of you on a rack, which you then put into a board and get points for. So, for example, these are my letters down below, and I create the word piano, and each letter has a point value, and I get the points for it. And then you hit play to submit your word. Your friend or your opponent then continues with making words on your words. All words that you play must somehow connect to a previous word on the board. So take a look here. Image uses the I of swirl and makes the word image. Or gram using the R of swirl, or it could even be to the side, which is age, but you've made a two-letter word, L-A. If you make a two-word, you get points for both words. And one of the strategies in this is to think about how you can get the most amount of points. You see 2L, 3L, 2W, 3W. It stands for two-letter word, three-letter word, two-word score, three-word score. A two-letter word means whatever letter you put on that square, you get double the points. A double word score means if you cover that, you actually get double the entire word. And you can see it here. Your score is the sum of the letter values in each of the words formed. So in a word like jump, where the J is worth 10, the U is worth 2, the M and the P are worth 3, that would be 18 points. But if one of those letters was, say, on a double letter score or a triple letter score, you would get double for that letter. Or if the word crossed a double word or a triple word, then the entire word would be doubled or tripled. In Scrabble, if you use all 7 letters, they call it a bingo. In Crossplay, they call it a sweep, and you get 40 bonus points for using all 7 of your tiles. If you can't make a word, on your turn, you can pass or turn in some tiles, but if you do that as your turn, then you don't get to make a word on that turn. To make a word, you just need a minimum of 1 tile. In other words, if there was an I and you had an N, you could make a word as small as 2 letters, in. Now, one thing that's different here is that when the tile bag is empty, normally in Scrabble, that's sort of the end of the game. But in this game, each player will get 1 last turn to finish the game. And when the game ends, any leftover tiles are not counted against you, which is different than Words with Friends or Scrabble. So let's give it a try. Let's start our first game. We're going to just pick an easy level, and we're going to let them pick an opponent for us. Well, in this case, it's the computer. Here's our words on the bottom. Here's us in the upper left-hand corner. The computer that we're playing in the easy mode is in the upper right. There's 86 tiles in the bag. It's our turn. Here's our letters on the bottom. And you can see that we can click Shuffle, which shuffles our letters around. Swap, which would be if we wanted to not play a word, but just, and then More, which is to pass, to cancel, or other things like that. So let's just go ahead and play a first word and see how this game goes. I'm going to put a C on the 2-letter. All right. Now you can't make up a word. If a word is not in the dictionary or in their dictionary, it will say that's not a valid word. So we're going to go ahead and just put the C on the double letter, and they play their word, dish. Right now we have 13 points for our word because we had the 3 on the double letter. They made a simple word, dish. They have 7 points. Now notice what I have here. I have a blank tile, much like Scrabble and Words with Friends. This is just It can be any letter you want. You don't get points for it, but certainly can help you make a word. So we can perhaps go D, R, Y, and take those points there. And as you can see, the bag is continuing to go down slowly. When you're playing with friends, obviously, you'll get notifications as to when it's your turn. So it might take a while to play back and forth, but they have a computer mode where you can play with the computer both at an easy, medium, and hard level. And one of the strategies you want to do is obviously put your big ticket letters, like this 10 point, on a triple letter score. Maybe we'll use these free ones to create a word. And once you've declared a blank what the letter is, that is what the letter is. You can't, as an opponent, use the blank for something else. And as you can see, that was a big score, and now we have 54, and our computer has 10. Now, if you want tips and strategies on how to get good at a game like this, like Words with Friends or Scrabble or this game, the good news is I actually have lots of videos on this channel on not just how to play at more advanced levels, but how to win, tips on winning strategies, multiple winning strategies, multiple tips on how to find words, create words, how to think, how to win the board, how to play offense and defense, and I highly recommend you check that out on my channel. I'll leave a link in the description. And here I was able to make the word bread, but I was also able to make the word add. It's a long time coming for the New York Times, but maybe it'll bring back a Words with Friends Scrabble resurgence. Anyways, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you later.